replacement, Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Cyrene, the bastard brute.
He's down! Is that Davizioso?
I think it is! Fire from the side. Down he went, on the back to the Ducati. Clattered him, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then, as they now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo. End of this one then, as they now head around into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into. They now head around Maggots and Beckett's. The high side, down he went, all the back to the Ducati, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt.
Quartararo's down! Is that Davizioso?
I think it is! Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went, all the back to the Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. I just wonder if we might see a Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Here we go, brilliant start from Marquez from Harley.
Is that Davizioso?
I think it is! Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went, all the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. For Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into
Davizioso is ready with Minang. The second flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's done it! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a
1. Kasih air. Nah, kali gigit.